Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the OWC 64GB DDR4 2400 MHz memory kit, a serious upgrade for any PC enthusiast looking to boost performance. This kit consists of 4 16GB modules, operating at a speed of 2400 MHz with a PC4-19200 rating and CL17 timings. It's a 2RX8 configuration, non-ECC, unbuffered UDIM, and runs at a standard 1.2V, making it compatible with a wide range of desktop systems. One of the key highlights of this OWC memory kit is its adherence to JEDEC standards. This ensures compatibility and stable performance. The modules are also RoHS compliant, aligning with environmental standards. OWC designs and tests these modules to meet or exceed OEM specifications, providing confidence in their reliability. For users seeking a noticeable performance improvement, upgrading memory is often the most effective and straightforward solution. This 64GB kit from OWC provides ample capacity for demanding applications, content creation, and heavy multitasking. Whether you're editing videos, running virtual machines, or playing memory-intensive games, this upgrade can significantly enhance your system's responsiveness. OWC stands behind its products with a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty. This includes free tech support, offering peace of mind and assistance should you encounter any issues. Installation is generally a simple process. OWC provides a basic installation video to guide users through the steps. In most cases, it's a DIY-friendly project that can be completed in a matter of minutes. In conclusion, the OWC 64GB DDR4 2400 MHz memory kit is a solid choice for users seeking a reliable and high-performance upgrade. Its adherence to industry standards, ease of installation, and OWC's comprehensive warranty make it a worthwhile investment for boosting your PC's capabilities.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.